See him? Just put some paint there. Keep him from popping out. Keep going. Come on, guys, get over here! Guys! Move up, move up! There's some cover over this way. Guys? Hey! Cover fire here, I'm gonna move up. Yeah. Me neither. Do you wanna keep some cover fire for me? Hold that flag! Just get ready to give me cover while I run, okay? Oh, you're out? Guys, I'm gonna go for that flag again. Can you cover it once I go? Okay.
Preoccupied right now.
Okay.
Go.
I'll take it. You're good.
Watch the right.
Yeah, he did. He's good. He's still there. See?
Want me to move up?
They did.
Wait, you want to give me some cover? I'm going to pull that flag first then.
That one there?
Yeah. And then we'll keep moving on. If I get hit, I'll respawn. He's out, he's out. Keep firing. Okay, back to the body mission. Okay, keep moving up now. This flag next. Yeah, it's red, we gotta pull it. Oh, just keep giving me cover fire. Okay, thank you. Wrong way. Nice, thank you. Oh. Cover fire, guys! So where's the blue body?
I don't know.
Okay, someone said it's this way. Is that guy red?
Yeah.
Okay, watch yourself from under this thing, eh?
Yeah.
Where is he? He's right in. Okay. Keep firing, yeah. Keep firing.
Yeah.
Keep him down. I'm going to rush him.
Yeah. Okay.
It's okay. Go. Mercy! Behind the airplane, the helicopter! Think you can get that flag? I got a pistol if the zombie gets too close. Come on, guys, quick, quick. Fast is better. Where is that zombie? Keep eyes on. Holy cow. Come on, guys. Did you see where that came from? No, I think it was red. Are you blue? No, he's red. He's right there. Okay, guys, spread out and pin him down. Take him out. Spread out. He's out. He's out. Stop firing. Holy cow. What? Okay, guys, we gotta find that blue box. Stay spread out a bit, though.
I need somebody with me at all times.
Sorry?
I need somebody with me at all times.
You want to stick with Lucas?
With the zombie? No, giving them a warning.
Oh,
Because a lot of the players have been shooting
just
the
light him up?
zombies
Yeah, I know.
constantly. I've already had 3 zombies quit to my knowledge, so.
Fun. Okay. Where do you see him from?
See that pile of brush?
Yeah? Okay, I see him.
Yeah.
Is that a zombie?
That's a zombie on his
Okay.
other side. He's behind that.
I hear red shooting somewhere.
See his head? See his mask? He's gonna shoot
Okay, yes I do. Okay, guys, we can't stay in one place. We got to spread around them. Do you two want to take the far wall, or do you want to get in the middle and I'll take the far? Okay, you want to go with him? He has no marker.
You still there?
Okay, do you want to put some cover fire on that guy's bunker?
Yeah. See, I don't know if he's
Go.
still there,
I know. Okay, move! You got him? Did we get him? Okay. Lucas, can you get to that bunker with the white barrel? We got to flank him, but you've got to have a marker. Okay. He's right up this way. So I kind of want to try and flank him a bit. Looks like there might be 2.
Might as well keep going.
I don't.
Way out there.
Oh, he's backing off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, we got fire to that guy.
From where?
Right on that trail. I think up in the tower over there. We got a guy.
Okay. Red's moving in! The blue board! Right on the right! On the right! On the right! Lucas! Light him up!
Where is he?
Right there.
Where?
Okay, I'm out. Sorry? Oh, okay. I'm out. I got hit.
Where?
Headshot. You don't see it? Head. Did you see him? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. That bunker there. Looks like a zombie got him. Is anyone here with me? He's behind that. Guys, move in.
He almost got me.
There's a guy here. Do you want to get on the left side? I'll shoot him from this side. We both shoot from the same place. He only has one target to aim at.
He's a zombie.
Pardon? They're up ahead. That guy's not a zombie.
Is it?
Nice. Okay, we got them. Good job. Let's move up. Everybody move up. Come on, guys.
Take the flag, it's passed.
Stay spread out. Don't group up.